Welcome back, Cyberpower here. Today we're breaking down Kali Linux, the essential toolkit for anyone curious about cybersecurity. I'll show you the must-know tools, what they do, and how to get started. No jargon, just clear real-world examples. Let's dive in. First up, let's dive into Nmap, widely regarded as the ultimate network scanner for cybersecurity professionals, IT enthusiasts, and anyone curious about what's really happening on their network. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a powerful open-source tool that's been trusted for decades to uncover the hidden details of digital environments. With Nmap, you can quickly discover every device connected to your network, see which ports are open, and identify what services are running behind the scenes. It's like having X-ray vision for your digital infrastructure, revealing the connections and pathways that keep your network alive. Now, you might notice that Nmap is command line based. Don't let that intimidate you. The interface is straightforward, and with just a few simple commands, you can start scanning and learning about your network in minutes. In fact, using the command line gives you more control and flexibility than most graphical tools. For example, running a basic scan like Nmap 192.168.11254 will instantly sweep your local network, showing you all the active devices within that range. This is a great way to get a quick overview of what's connected to your Wi-Fi or office network. The results are detailed and informative. You'll see a list of IP addresses, which ports are open on each device, and sometimes even the operating system they're running. This information is crucial for both troubleshooting and securing your network, as open ports can be potential entry points for attackers. Think of this as your first step toward understanding your network's security posture. By knowing what's exposed, you can take action to close unnecessary ports, update vulnerable services, and strengthen your defenses against cyber threats. As you get more comfortable with Nmap, you'll discover a whole world of advanced features. You can use specialized scripts to detect vulnerabilities, check for outdated software, or even map out complex network topologies. Nmap's flexibility makes it a favorite among ethical hackers and security researchers. But remember, always scan networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Ethical hacking is about protecting systems, not breaking into them. Unauthorized scanning can be illegal and unethical, so make sure you're always on the right side of the law. If you're eager to learn more, there's a wealth of tutorials, guides, and online courses dedicated to mastering Nmap. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you'll find plenty of resources to help you go further. Try scanning your own home network. You might be surprised at the number of devices you find, from smart TVs to forgotten tablets. It's a real eye-opener and a great way to start thinking like a cybersecurity pro. Nmap is your gateway to seeing the invisible side of your digital world. With just a few commands, you can uncover the secrets of your network and take the first steps toward a safer, more secure digital life. Next, Metasploit, the go-to framework for penetration testing. It lets you simulate attacks to find weaknesses before real hackers do. Open it with MSF Console, search for exploits, set your target, and launch safe, controlled tests. Metasploit's huge library covers everything from password attacks to web exploits. Start with simple modules and follow guides. Practice in a safe lab environment. Remember, only test systems you own or have permission for. Metasploit bridges theory and practice, helping you think like a defender. Mastering it is a big step toward real cybersecurity skills. Now, let's dive into Wireshark, a powerful and widely used packet analyzer that's become an essential tool for network professionals and cybersecurity enthusiasts alike. Whether you're troubleshooting a slow connection, investigating suspicious activity, or simply curious about what's happening on your network, Wireshark gives you a front-row seat to the flow of data. It captures and displays every bit of data moving through your network in real time, breaking down the information into individual packets. Each packet contains details like source and destination addresses, protocols in use, and even the contents of the data being transmitted. This level of visibility is invaluable for diagnosing issues or uncovering hidden threats. The graphical interface is intuitive, making it easy to filter by IP address, protocol, port number, or even specific keywords. With just a few clicks, you can isolate traffic from a single device, focus on suspicious protocols, or search for patterns that might indicate a security breach. Try capturing your own web traffic. Simply start a capture, browse the internet, and watch as Wireshark reveals every request and response. You'll be amazed at how much information is exposed, from website addresses to unencrypted data, all flowing across your network. This experience is truly eye-opening for understanding the importance of network security and privacy. You'll quickly realize how easily sensitive information can be intercepted if proper protections aren't in place. Professionals rely on Wireshark to diagnose complex network problems, trace the source of outages, and spot potential threats like malware or unauthorized access. But you don't have to be an expert to get started. Beginners can learn a lot just by exploring the traffic on their own home networks. Remember, it's important to only capture traffic on networks you own or have explicit permission to monitor. Unauthorized packet capturing can violate privacy laws and ethical guidelines, so always use Wireshark responsibly. Ultimately, Wireshark is your window into the hidden world of network data. By learning to interpret what you see, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how networks operate and how to keep them secure. Meet AirCrack NG, the toolkit for testing Wi-Fi security. It captures wireless packets and tries to crack weak passwords. You'll need a wireless adapter that supports monitor mode. Capture the handshake between a device and your router, then run a dictionary attack to test password strength. The goal isn't to break in, but to see if your own Wi-Fi is secure. AirCrack NG also shows you nearby networks and their encryption types. Only test networks you own or have permission for. Ethics matter. Practice, and you'll quickly learn how to defend your wireless world. Hydra is a powerful and versatile tool designed specifically for testing the strength of passwords on a wide range of network services. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a student learning about ethical hacking, or just someone curious about how secure your own systems are, Hydra is an essential part of your toolkit. It allows you to simulate real-world attacks in a controlled environment, helping you understand the vulnerabilities that weak passwords can introduce. What makes Hydra stand out is its incredible speed and flexibility. It supports dozens of protocols, including FTP, SSH, HTTP, and more, making it suitable for almost any networked service you might want to test. By running Hydra, you can see firsthand just how quickly a weak password can be guessed using brute force or dictionary attacks. This process highlights the importance of not relying on simple or commonly used passwords. To get started, you simply select your target system, prepare lists of potential usernames and passwords, and let Hydra do the heavy lifting. The tool systematically tries every possible combination from your lists, mimicking the techniques attackers use. This hands-on approach gives you valuable insight into how attackers operate and how quickly they can compromise accounts with weak credentials. If Hydra manages to crack your own FTP or SSH login, it's a clear sign that your passwords aren't strong enough. This is your opportunity to strengthen your security before a real attacker finds the same weakness. Seeing a warning or alert pop up after a successful crack can be a wake-up call, reminding you that password security is not something to take lightly. Using Hydra teaches you why it's so important to create strong, unique passwords for every account. Weak passwords are easy targets, but strong, complex ones can withstand even the most persistent attacks. Consider using a password manager to generate and store secure passwords, and always avoid reusing the same password across multiple sites. While Hydra operates from the command line, its interface is straightforward once you learn the basics. With a few simple commands, you can launch powerful tests and analyze the results. There are plenty of tutorials and resources available to help you get started, making it accessible even if you're new to penetration testing. Remember, always use Hydra responsibly. Only test systems that you own or have explicit permission to assess. Unauthorized testing is illegal and unethical, so make sure you're operating within the law and following best practices for ethical hacking. Ultimately, Hydra is a powerful reminder that password security can't be ignored. By regularly testing your own systems, you can stay one step ahead of attackers and keep your data safe. John the Ripper specializes in cracking password hashes from system files or databases. It supports many hash types: Windows, Linux, and more. Start with a file of hashed passwords and let John try dictionary or brute force attacks. Test your own passwords. If they're cracked quickly, they're too weak. John comes with built-in word lists, but you can add your own. It's command line, but well documented and beginner-friendly. Only analyze files you own or have permission for. Ethical use is a must. John the Ripper shows why password hygiene is non-negotiable. Burp Suite is your all-in-one platform for web security testing. It acts as a proxy, letting you intercept, analyze, and modify web traffic. Use the built-in browser to see how websites handle data, cookies, and sessions. The scanner finds common vulnerabilities like SQL injection and XSS. Start with the Community Edition. It's free and packed with features for beginners. Tons of resources help you learn fast. Only test websites you own or have permission for. Web testing has real consequences. Burp Suite is the perfect launchpad for hands-on web security skills. That's your crash course on Kali Linux's essential tools. Nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark, AirCrackNG, Hydra, John the Ripper, and Burp Suite. Use them ethically, keep learning, and you'll build real cybersecurity skills. Subscribe for more guides, drop your questions below, and keep exploring the world of ethical hacking.